one step closer. We have got the engines back from the dyno. You guys saw that. Made 1,200 horsepower, 800 foot-pounds of torque on the dyno. So this thing is ready to rock. Before we put the motor back in, I want to clean up some wiring because there's a whole lot of stuff that was, let's get it good enough to get to next round and then not worry about it for 20 years. We've got a lot of stuff that I just want to clean up, make it right, make it good, because we're not pulling this thing apart again for quite a long time. We got the converter. Excited about that. We'll unbox that in a second. And we've got the parachute mount back. I bought this because the parachute that we had on this truck I wasn't real confident with. So we got a spring-loaded parachute, real deal, that'll slow this thing down for what it's going to be doing.
This is the parachute hooks too, and this is going to go to the frame right here, that bar. And then this bracket is going to get out all the way to the back here. So we're going to have a bracket, or have, what's this? Yeah, that's inside there. So we have to come out, have to some kind of bracket to get us out here, you know what I'm saying? Because this is where that's going to go. So we can loop that up by the shock tower and then bring it up this way. It works on the other side perfect. That's what we're talking about. And that's
So we had a cone 9-inch converter that was in the 34. Then we had a cone 10-inch converter that was in the old race van. And we decided that between the two of those, one of them should probably be right. With the amount of torque we were making, we figured the 9-inch might be too much, and we ended up with a 9.5. Here's what we had.
This one's billet, one piece. I wish you wouldn't have painted, but this from here down is all billet aluminum.